Coffee, a beloved beverage enjoyed globally, has a rich tapestry that goes beyond the morning cup. From its botanical origins to the intricate process of brewing, let's explore the fascinating world of coffee and its diverse cultural significance. 1. Coffee, derived from the seeds of berries in the Coffea plant, is an integral part of daily life for millions worldwide. 2. The journey of coffee from bean to cup involves a meticulous process, including cultivation, harvesting, roasting, and brewing. 3. Standing as one of the most traded commodities globally, coffee is not just a beverage, it's a cultural phenomenon that bridges continents and connects people. The origins of Arabica and Robusta. When it comes to coffee, not all beans are created equal. Arabica and Robusta, the two primary species of coffee beans, each offer a unique flavor profile and contribute to the diverse world of coffee. 1. Arabica beans, known for their mild acidity and varied flavors, make up the majority of global coffee consumption. 2. Robusta beans, with a stronger and more bitter taste, are often favored for their higher caffeine content and resistance to pests. 3. The interplay between Arabica and Robusta contributes to the wide spectrum of coffee experiences, catering to different palates around the world. The Coffee Belt, a journey across latitudes. Embark on a journey across the Coffee Belt, the region between the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn, where coffee thrives. This geographical area plays a pivotal role in determining the flavors and characteristics of coffee beans. 1. The Coffee Belt, with its equatorial climate and specific altitude requirements, provides optimal conditions for coffee cultivation. 2. Each region within the Coffee Belt imparts unique flavors to the beans, influenced by factors like soil composition, temperature, and altitude. 3. From the high-altitude plantations of Ethiopia to the Brazilian landscapes, the Coffee Belt is a geographical symphony shaping the global coffee palate. The art of coffee roasting. The journey of coffee beans doesn't end with cultivation. It reaches a crucial turning point during the roasting process. Let's delve into the art of coffee roasting and how it transforms raw beans into the aromatic and flavorful essence we love. 1. Coffee roasting involves carefully applying heat to green coffee beans, a process that enhances their flavor, aroma, and color. 2. The degree of roasting, ranging from light to dark, significantly influences the taste profile, with lighter roasts preserving more of the bean's original characteristics. Roasters, often considered craftsmen, play a pivotal role in balancing the complex chemistry of coffee roasting to create the perfect brew. Espresso, latte, and more, brewing magic at the barista's hands. Enter the world of coffee brewing, where skilled baristas transform coffee into a variety of delightful concoctions. From the bold intensity of espresso to the creamy layers of a latte, explore the artistry behind the counter. 1. Espresso, a concentrated coffee shot, forms the base for various coffee beverages, known for its rich flavor and quick brewing process. 2. Latte art, a skillful technique of pouring steamed milk into espresso, adds a visual and flavorful dimension to coffee creations. 3. Baristas, with their expertise and creativity, turn brewing into an art form, crafting personalized coffee experiences for enthusiasts around the globe. Fair trade and sustainable coffee practices. As coffee enjoys immense popularity, there's a growing awareness of the ethical and environmental considerations surrounding its production. Explore the concept of fair trade and sustainable practices that aim to make the coffee industry more equitable and eco-friendly. 1. Fair trade initiatives focus on ensuring fair compensation and ethical treatment for coffee farmers, fostering sustainable livelihoods in coffee-producing regions. 2. Sustainable coffee practices include agroforestry, organic farming, and shade-grown methods, aiming to minimize environmental impact and preserve biodiversity. 3. The push for fair trade and sustainability reflects a global commitment to creating a coffee industry that benefits both producers and the planet. Coffee culture around the world. Coffee isn't just a beverage, it's a cultural phenomenon that varies widely across different corners of the globe. Explore the unique coffee cultures, rituals, and traditions that define how people savor their daily brew. 1. In Italy, the birthplace of espresso, coffee is a social experience, with locals enjoying quick shots at standing-room-only espresso bars. 2. In Ethiopia, the birthplace of coffee, traditional coffee ceremonies are a revered cultural practice, bringing communities together. 3. From the vibrant coffee houses of Istanbul to the specialty coffee culture of Melbourne, coffee serves as a cultural bridge that connects communities and fosters social interactions. Coffee and health, brewing wellness. Beyond its delightful taste, coffee has been a subject of scientific inquiry regarding its impact on health. Let's explore the research findings that shed light on the potential health benefits and considerations associated with coffee consumption. 1. Moderate coffee consumption has been linked to various health benefits, including improved cognitive function, reduced risk of certain diseases, and antioxidant properties. 2. However, excessive caffeine intake may lead to negative effects, such as insomnia, increased heart rate, and digestive issues, emphasizing the importance of moderation. 3. The complex relationship between coffee and health highlights the need for individualized approaches, considering factors like overall health, sensitivity to caffeine, and lifestyle. Coffee in literature and art. Coffee's influence extends beyond the sensory experience. It has inspired artistic expressions and found its way into the pages of literature. Explore how coffee has become a muse for creativity and a symbol in various forms of artistic expression. 1. Coffee houses, known as intellectual hubs, played a significant role in the Enlightenment era, fostering discussions among scholars, writers, and artists. 2. Writers like Honoré de Balzac and Agatha Christie found inspiration in coffee, attributing their creative bursts to the stimulating effects of caffeine. 3. Coffee, with its rich aroma and deep flavors, has become a symbol in visual arts, literature, and music, weaving its way into the cultural tapestry of human expression. Coffee trends and innovations. The world of coffee is dynamic, with ever-evolving trends and innovative approaches shaping how we experience this beloved beverage. From specialty brews to cutting-edge technologies, discover the latest trends that keep coffee enthusiasts on the edge of their seats. No. 1. Specialty coffee, emphasizing high-quality beans and unique flavors, has become a prominent trend, elevating coffee appreciation to new heights. 2. Cold brew, nitro coffee, and coffee cocktails showcase the creativity of modern coffee culture, offering refreshing alternatives to traditional brewing methods. 3. Innovations in coffee technology, including smart coffee makers and sustainable packaging, reflect the industry's commitment to enhancing the coffee experience while minimizing its environmental footprint. As you embark on this journey through the world of coffee, may each sip reveal a new layer of complexity and delight, reminding you that coffee is more than a beverage. It's a cultural celebration, a sensory exploration, and a daily ritual that connects us across continents and generations.